I know. Yeah, are you?
What?
I'm sorry. Hi, mister.
¿Está grabando?
Boy, are we making something? Are we making something?
Look around the wetness.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Wait, it's still in the morning. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Well, I just said you played the number.
You broke.
Her and Natalie were at Chick-fil-A.
It's for the kids.
They should be ready to go. They have a seat.
Yeah, no,
I know, y'all gonna be
Recording.
Chromebooks out, phones away.
Okay, you put us on in English.
In English?
English says.
Oh, sure. You can do it.
Yeah.
All right, see you.
Okay, good morning everyone. Have a seat in your assigned seat, please. Phones away, headphones away, phone and headphone out. Bags on the floor, please. Bags on the floor. Not yet. You gotta wait 10 minutes. Okay, it is Wednesday, March 18th, and we're learning about nutrition and metabolism today. Can I get everyone to take out their Chromebooks, please? Take out your Chromebooks. Take out your Chromebooks and put them at 45 degrees. 45 degrees for now. I'll let you know when to open it. I'm going to wait for voice level 0 before we get started. Can I have someone raise their hand and read the Swabot for me today? Go ahead, Effie.
Swabot, differentiate between, how do you say, anabolism?
Anabolism.
Anabolism and catabolism?
Catabolism.
Catabolism, and explain how the body chemically converts, what does it say, micronutrients? Macronutrients like carbohydrates, lipids, and protein into cellular energy, ATP.
Perfect. So the key words for today are anabolism, catabolism, metabolism, and ATP. Bless you, by the way. Anabolism, catabolism, metabolism, and ATP. And we're going to go over what all of that means in a second, okay? Does anyone know what ATP stands for? Raise your hand if you know what ATP stands for. Does anyone know, has anyone heard of ATP before? Raise your hand if you've heard of ATP before. Does anyone know where ATP is created in the cell? Where is ATP created in the cell? Anyone know? Okay, I'll give you a big hint. What organelle is called the powerhouse of the cell?
The mitochondria. No.
Okay,
Oh,
everyone
right,
together,
right.
all together. What is it? That was correct.
Mitochondria?
Mitochondria. Does everyone remember? Can we say that all together? The powerhouse of the cell is the
mitochondria.
mitochondria. One more time, everyone all together. 3, 2, 1. Mitochondria. Okay, very good. Okay, so everyone open up your Chromebooks now. Get started on the do now. You have 5 minutes. I'm going to take attendance while you do your do now. Okay, grab your Chromebooks. 5 minutes to do your do now. Chris A.
Here.
Epifanio. Elder. Tanya. Jose. Jonathan.
Here.
Juan.
Here.
Amari. Demarie. Not here today. Jimena. Daniela.
have to.
Brandon. Naomi. Naomi? Not here. Kelvin. Oscar.
Here.
Jessica. Jaden.
Here.
Tiffany. Here. Iris. Chloe. Kevin. Kevin? Okay, 4 more minutes for your do now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm checking on Hapara to see if all of you are on your do nows. If I call your name, it's because your screen is not on the do now, okay? Yes. Go ahead. Okay, it looks like everyone's on their do now. Jose, have you done the do now already? Can you pull it up, please? Do it. And keep your screen on the do now. I'm gonna call on some individuals to read the questions out loud to the class. So even after you submit it, keep your screen open on the do now, okay? Brandon, did you complete the do now?
Yeah.
You did? Okay. Iris, did you complete the do now? Two minutes. Juan, are you completed with the do now? Any questions for me? I'll walk around to each table if you have any questions. Any questions about the do now? Any questions about the do now, Jose?
Yeah.
Any questions at this
I love
table?
this class.
Questions about the
I
do
love this
now?
class.
Any questions about the do now?
No, miss.
Any questions at this table about the do now? No? 2 minutes left. Any questions about the do now? No? Questions about the do now at this table? No? Questions? Questions? No? Okay. So you have about 1:30 left, and then we're gonna go over it. answered the last one. Good job, Eric. You done, Jaden? You still working? Good work. Nice job. 30 seconds. Good job, Chloe. Good job, Effie. Okay, 1 second. Okay, time's up. Can someone get the door, please? Thank you. Okay, who wants to read the question stem from the beginning? Raise your hand for a shout out to read the question stem. If no one wants to read it, I'll call on someone. Go ahead, Jessica, from the top.
Look at the provided nutrient facts label for the super energy protein bar and answer the questions below using your knowledge of the digestive system. The label total calories. Do you want me to read that too?
Yeah.
Total calories 280. Total
Carbohydrate.
30 and fiber 5. And sugar is 20. Total fat is 10. And protein is 20. The prefer build your brain and muscles prefer for
Immediate.
energy, which specific item on this label will be converted into ATP, and the fastest explain why.
Okay, pause right there. Thank you, Jessica. Okay, which of those that are listed will be converted to ATP the fastest? Who has the answer? Anyone have the answer to question number 1? Raise your hand for a shout out. Anyone know? Is it going to be carbohydrates, fats, or proteins?
Wouldn't it be fats and proteins?
Fats and proteins. So it's saying which of the ones will be converted to glucose. So which one is that? Yes. Chris. Carbohydrates. That's the correct answer. Did everybody get carbohydrates? So carbohydrates are complex sugars. They are broken down into simple sugars, right? Simple sugars like glucose. So carbohydrates is the correct answer for number 1. Great work, Chris. Who wants to read question number 2 for a shout out? Yes, Amari.
Anabolism versus catabolism. If you eat this bar after a heavy weightlifting workout, your body will use 20 grams of protein to repair muscle tissue. Is the process of building new muscle fibers an example of anabolism, building up, or catabolism, breaking down?
Okay, so we haven't gone over yet what anabolism and catabolism are, but those are the focus words of our class today. So it says in the question, anabolism is building up and catabolism is breaking down. So is the building of new muscles anabolism or catabolism?
Anabolism.
Anabolism. Can I have everybody in the room repeat that? What is building new muscle called? Anabolism. Perfect. Anabolism is building up, okay? Can I get a voice level 0 at this table? Thank you. Okay, question number 3. Can I get Juan to read question number 3, please?
First, what do you think? If you eat 3 of these bars while sitting on a couch while playing video games, your body doesn't need the 840 calories for immediate movement. What does the liver do with the excess glucose, and which macronutrient on the label is the most energy dense for long-term storage?
Okay, perfect. So, which macronutrient on the label is the most energy dense for long-term storage? Jimena. It's fat, correct. Did everybody get fat as their answer for this last one? Fat? Why is fat the correct answer? What do we use to store energy in our body? What is fat? Stored energy, right? Great job. That's the correct answer. Okay, great job on the do now, ladies and gentlemen. Now what I'm going to do is go over a few key terms for the day, so key vocabulary, and then you're going to work on a worksheet for the rest of the class period, okay? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
No? so let's start by reviewing the digestive system. So all together as a class, I'm going to point to something and you're going to tell me what it is, okay? So we're reviewing. So I'm hungry and I'm eating a meal. The first thing I do is put food in my mouth, I chew it, and it turns into a small ball. What is that ball called? Does anyone remember? That ball of food. It starts with a B.
Isn't it? Oh, no, never mind. It's like bullet, right? Something like around there.
B, yep, it starts with a B.
Bolum or
Bowl.
Bolum?
Bolus. Can we all say bolus together? 3, 2, 1. Bolus. Okay, so the food turns into a bolus. I swallow and it goes down this tube. What is this tube right here called? Esophagus. So the first tube that the food travels down is called the? Everybody in 3, 2, 1. Together. Esophagus. Esophagus. What is this called? Esophagus. Okay. After traveling through the esophagus, the food enters kind of the main organ of the digestive system that produces hydrochloric acid. What is that organ called?
The liver.
This is the liver, but the liver does not produce hydrochloric acid. What is the main organ that produces hydrochloric acid where digestion occurs?
The stomach.
The stomach. Can we all together say the stomach in 3, 2, 1. Stomach. Okay. From the stomach, the food is going to enter a long tube where the micronutrients are absorbed. What is that long tube called? Small intestine. Can we all together say small intestine in 3, 2, 1. Small intestine. From the small intestine, it enters a larger tube where water is absorbed. What is the larger tube where water is absorbed called?
The big intestine.
The large intestine. Can we all say together in 3, 2, 1. Large intestine. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Large intestine. That's where water is absorbed. Great job. Those are all the main organs of the digestive system. So we just did a quick review, okay? Good job, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So, our focus of the class today is metabolism. So what is metabolism? Metabolism is the sum of all of the chemical processes that occur within a living organism to maintain life. It is to manage the body's energy resources. So energy in the body is ATP, okay? So ATP equals energy. So metabolism is the management of energy or the management of ATP in the body, okay? And there are 2 arms of metabolism, so 2 types of metabolism. Anabolism and catabolism, which we just learned in the do now. Anabolism is building up. So taking small things and putting them together is called anabolism, and that requires energy. It requires ATP for that to happen. Catabolism is the opposite of anabolism. Catabolism is breaking down. So it's taking complex molecules and breaking them up into smaller pieces, and that releases energy. So ATP is released when things are broken down, okay? So anabolism and catabolism are both types of metabolism, but they are opposite of each other. Anabolism is building up, catabolism is breaking down. Can I have everybody say anabolism in 3, 2, 1? Anabolism. Can I have everybody say catabolism in 3, 2, 1?
Catabolism.
Perfect. So let's start with anabolism. Anabolism is building the body. The process is small, simple molecules are put together to form larger, more complex ones. So in the corner right here, I put a picture of a complex molecule. It's 2 molecules put together to make a bigger one. So that is what anabolism is. It's taking small molecules, putting them together, and making a bigger one. That requires energy, so it's called an endergonic reaction. Can I have everyone repeat in 3 seconds? When I get to 1, you're going to say endergonic. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Endergonic. Endergonic means requiring energy, consuming ATP, okay? So some examples of anabolism in the body include protein synthesis, glycogenesis, and lipogenesis. All of these processes take smaller molecules and put them together to form bigger molecules. Any questions about anabolism? Yes, you may go to the restroom. Any questions about anabolism? Yes, you may.
Miss McGuffin.
Okay, 2 people per class period. Okay, any questions about anabolism? Can everyone have a seat in their assigned seat, please? Have a seat in your assigned seat. Any questions about anabolism
Jen.
before I move on?
Jen, it's on elder.
Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay. Catabolism. Catabolism is the opposite of anabolism. Can I get a voice level 0 as I go over catabolism, please? I'll wait until we're all at a voice level 0. And can I get all Chromebooks close to 45 degrees? All Chromebooks close to 45 degrees. Perfect. Thank you for voice level 0. Catabolism is the opposite of anabolism. Catabolism is the process of breaking things down from more complex molecules to more simple molecules. And that process releases energy, okay? They're called exergonic reactions. Processes that release energy are called exergonic reactions. When I get to 1, can we all say this word, okay? 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Exergonic. What does exergonic mean? Can someone raise their hand and tell me what does exergonic mean? Yes, Effie.
Is it like up there?
Yes.
Is it the energy outcome? Or is it the actual explanation?
It means they release energy.
Okay.
Exergonic means releasing energy.
Okay.
What does endergonic mean? Anyone know? It was just on the previous slide. Endergonic. Does anyone remember what endergonic means?
Intaking.
One more time.
Intaking.
Intaking, so requiring energy. Exergonic versus endergonic, okay? These are new vocabulary words for you. Some examples of catabolism include digestion, so breaking down food as we're consuming it, glycolysis, breaking down a sugar molecule, and lipolysis, burning body fat. Okay, any questions about catabolism? So we have anabolism, catabolism, they're both components of metabolism. We have endergonic reactions that require energy and exergonic reactions that release energy, okay? So what we're gonna do now is, let me make sure there's no other slides first. Oh, there's one last one.
Just walk away.
So the metabolic intersection. So now you know what anabolism means and you know what catabolism means. Basically what happens with catabolism is that it releases energy, and that exact energy that is released with catabolism is what powers anabolism. So that energy that is released is going to be used to put things together, okay? So that energy is called ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and that's your universal currency. Catabolism charges the battery, so it's going from ADP to ATP, and anabolism drains the battery, it's going from ATP to ADP. So ADP is the broken down version, and ATP is the put together version. Any questions? So for the rest of the class period, you're gonna work on a worksheet, an anabolism and catabolism worksheet. Can I get someone to pass out the worksheet to the class, please? Yes.
We do have that?
Yeah, you can pass that. You can do this side of the room.
Okay, guys. Can I go over there?
Okay, restrooms are closed, so
No, only for the
boys. Once you get the worksheet, you may begin. You can work on your worksheet for the rest of the class period. You can work with your partners, so you can go up to voice level 1, okay? Do your worksheet. Done? Did everybody get a worksheet? Everybody get a worksheet?
Yeah.
Okay, you may begin. Get started on your worksheet, ladies and gentlemen. walking around first. My first lap is to see whether you've started the worksheet or not. My second lap is to see whether you're answering questions correctly or not. Do you have a pencil? Thank you for starting, Iris. Thank you for starting, Jaden. Good job, Omari. Good job, Chad. Great job.
17, right?
Good job, 18. Get started on the worksheet, though. Good job, good job. Get started on the worksheet. Good job. Good job, good job. Great job. Okay, in 2 minutes, I'm walking around to make sure that you've answered a few questions, and I'm gonna check to see whether you've answered them correctly or not, okay? Do you have a question? Start working on your words. Yeah, you need a pencil? Good job, everyone. Stay focused.